Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Power Dynamite Areas Indicator for MT4. In this video, we'll look at how this indicator marks key price zones, what they imply, and what settings it provides. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and there we go. On the charts, the Power Dynamite Areas Indicator marks key support and resistance zones directly on the main MT4 price chart as vertical bands or highlighted areas. As you can see, these zones are calculated based on significant price clusters, historical reaction levels, and volatility patterns. Right, so we can see how it looks. So how it appears on the chart as these vertical lines directly on the main price window. All right, so let's take a look at the settings. Our key inputs include the pivot strength, the max look back bars, so you can set the number of look back bars so it fits your strategy or your analysis. You can also customize the pivot pip difference, the zone pip size, and then the max levels. You can also choose your preferred colors for the vertical lines so it fits in with your MT4 chart theme. I can trade using it on your preferred time frames as well. Alright, so who's this indicator for? This indicator suits traders who rely on different zone analysis across any currency pair and time frame. It is a visual tool only. It does not execute trades. Not all marked zones will produce a strong price reaction. Confirmation from price action patterns or momentum tools is required. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.